Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have another Rocksbox to share with you. I think this is my second one for the month of May. We're towards the end of May right now. I'm hoping there's something in this box that I can keep because I didn't purchase anything from that first box that I got. I ended up sending everything back. I thought I was going to purchase a necklace and possibly that pair of earrings, a smaller pair. I wore them around for a while on my Zoom calls when I went to work, just, by myself. But yeah, I decided to send them back and see what else I could get. I'm excited to show you what's in this next shipment. There's two necklaces and I really wanted some smaller necklaces because you know that I prefer like the statement necklaces, but I do want some smaller necklaces for like things like this where maybe you don't need a bigger necklace, like because this is a statement kind of kimono, and maybe a smaller necklace would be better. And other tops too where you don't want the necklace to outshine the top, but you still want something. You know what I'm trying to say? So I do have a couple of shorter necklaces, I should say smaller necklaces to show you. So let me tell you what this first one is. So this one is by Aster. This is the Ainsley necklace in pearl and it's $46. So it's very pretty. Whoops. I have to be so careful with smaller necklaces. I'm careful with my bigger necklaces, but like I just feel like it's so dainty. I'm not used to that. So it's got 3 strands, 1 strand of pearl, and then it's got pendants on the top one. Do they have anything on it? No. Oh, wait a minute. They do. Oh, no, wait, they don't. Kind of like that hammered metal look. Whoops. And it keeps turning, but very, very subtle. Oh, I like this. This is very pretty. Let's try it on. I think the only thing is, actually, one of you mentioned before that you can get those things for your necklace. I can't remember the name of them on Amazon so they don't tangle because this one's already tangled. So I'd have to order one. Oh, wow. This is actually really pretty. Hang on. I got to fasten it. There we go. Oh, I kind of like this. What do you think? Oh, I think this is really pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna find those things on Amazon so they don't tangle. Oh yeah, I think that's so pretty. Oh, I really like this one. Wow, it feels so light. I'm not used to that. Oh, I really like this one. What do you think about this one? I think I might keep this one. Okay, let's see what else is in here. I might have to take it off. Yep, I have another necklace. This is by Kendra. So here's what it looks like. Let me tell you what it is. This is the Nola short pendant in gold and iridescent druzy, $48. All right, take this off for now. That one looks pretty too. That one's very small. So it has the iridescent kind of, gem on the bottom of it. I feel like I have to be so careful. Oops. I should have done this before. If you do Rocksbox, let me know if they've been coming quicker for you. They've been coming pretty quickly for me. I know with everything going on, they slowed down a little bit, but I got this one very quickly. Now I can't open it. Of course, oops. Okay, here we go. We've got a visitor. She's interested in what's going on. Whoops. Okay. Oh, this looks very short. I don't know if I'm gonna like this one. I don't like necklaces that are too short. Yeah, this almost looks like it's gonna be like like a choker style. There's the pendant, and you see it's got these little gold kind of, what do you call them? Not a stone. All right, let's see. This is very tiny. Very, very tiny. Yeah. It's pretty. It's very pretty. This is too tiny for me. I'm not going to keep this one. No. I don't. No. $55 too? No. $48? No. I don't know. It's not me. No, it doesn't do anything for me. I like the first one. Yep, that's my favorite. All right, what do I have next? I have a pair of earrings. I don't know if I'm going to like these earrings either. I thought that I would. That's why I had them send it. Clearly, that's why I had them send them to me, but I don't know. I thought that the black was going to be different. These are by Kendra as well. So these are the Elle earrings in rose gold and black granite. So I didn't know that it was like the granite look. I don't know if that's coming across on camera. I thought they were going to be more, like the black was going to be more of like a sparkly black. You know what I mean? I have earrings in. Just take them out really quick. I should have done that too. Didn't prepare myself, huh? Nope, not this time. That's okay, we'll roll with it. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. You never know till you try them on, right? I do have a lot of like newer black tops that I've gotten, and so black earrings would look nice with them. Oh. What do you think? I kind of like them. I spoke too soon. Oh, I kind of like these. Let me put the other one in. What do you think? Obviously not with this top, but oh yeah. Oh, I do like them. They're not too heavy either. I thought they'd be pretty heavy, but they're not that heavy. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. I do like Kendra Scott pieces too, but they're so pricey. Oh, I don't know. I kind of like them. Let me know what you think. I don't like this necklace. Can you tell? I don't like it. I can't wait to get it off. It's very lightweight. It's just not me. I don't know. I think on the right person it might look nice, but I'm not used to this small of a necklace. So I don't know. For me, I just don't care for it like on myself. No. So I think I'm going to keep the first necklace and send the rest back, but I don't know. I might try the earrings on with something else and see how they look. Let me know what you thought of my Rocksbox. What was your favorite piece? Let me know below. Thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all doing well, and I will see you in my next video.